Student, today we will do question number 3 from exercise 5.2 NCERT Math Books class 10. So without a further ado, let's get started. The question number 3, in the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. Question number 1. First term is given 2 and third term is equal to 26. So third term means formula is 26 will be a plus 2 into d. A is equal to 2 plus 2d. 2d is equal to 26 minus 2 is equal to 24. So d is equal to 24 by 2 means 12. So d is equal to 12. So if we will 12 add here, so we will get here 14. 14 will be answer. Now see question number 2. Second term is given 13. So a plus d will be 13. This is first. And fourth term is 3. Means a plus 3d is equal to 3. This is second. If you will subtract this, minus, this will be cut. And minus 2d is equal to 13, 10. So d is equal to then 10 by minus 2 is equal to minus 5. So d is 5, minus 5. So minus 5. So this will be, first term will be then, first term we can put here in equation 1, minus 5. So this will come this side. D is minus 5. So this will be 18. So this is 18. 18 minus 13, 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is 8. This. Now see question number 3. Question number 3, see. First term is equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth term is A4. A4 is equal to 19 by 2. So if we write on formula, 19 by 2 is equal to, first term is 5 plus 3 into d. D is not given. D we will find. Bring this 5 this side. So 3d is equal to 19 by 2 minus 5 is equal to 19 minus 10 by 2 is equal to 9 by 2. So 9 by 2 is 9 by 2. So D equal to 9 by 2 into 1 by 3. 3, 3, 9. Means D is equal to 3 by 2. A is 5 and D is equal to 3 by 2. So if we will add 3 by 2 here, so we will get 3 by 2 means 1 by 2. If we will add here, so this will be 6 1 by 2. Here if again we will add half, we will add this will be 7 and 1 8. This will be 8. So this is the answer. Now see question number 4. Question number 4 is first term a is equal to minus 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means A6 is given 6. A6 means 6 formula it will be A is minus 4 plus 5 into D. This will become 10 is equal to 5D. So D is equal to then 2. So D is 2. Now we'll add 2 here. So this will be minus 2. This will be 0. Then 2. And then 4. See. Now see question number 5. Second term is 38. Means A plus D is equal to 38. This is 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A plus 5D is equal to minus 22. This is second. So if you will subtract this, minus, this will be plus, this will be cut. This is minus 4D is equal to 6. So D is equal to then 60 by minus 4. This will be minus 15. So D is equal to minus 15. And if you will put the value of D here, minus 15. So this will come this side. So add 15 to 18 and 10. 48 and 5, 53. Here will be 53 and 38 minus 15. 38, 28, 23. Here 5, then 8. 8 minus 7 and minus 22. This is. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.